Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 4 of the Wera Advent Calendar. So far we have the wand halter with the number 8 key and a pouch. Now let's see what we have behind number 4 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And what we now have is the L number 6 hex key, which is nicely engraved on the tool. And of course the holster is clearly marked with the number 6 slot. Now don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 5. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.